Seen in shops all around the world, the PRS-2.4 is the latest iteration of the iconic double-armed park tool repair stand. The dual-sided top tube allows two mechanics to work simultaneously, and can rotate 360 degrees, allowing a single mechanic to work on multiple bikes at a time. Changing stand height and clamp position is a breeze using Park Tool's proven lock block system. Equipped with either the time-tested 103C adjustable linkage clamp or 103D micro adjust clamp, and built from heavy-gauged, oversized steel tubing, it's the Park Tool PRS-2 you know and love, just with a new coat of paint. The Park Tool PRS 2.4.